it's Caitlin from Streets Ahead Style, and I have a very fun and exciting video, at least for me today. I am sharing my live swatches and review of a brand called Celanaste, and it is a Russian brand. So they're only available from their website and they ship from Russia. So Yulia, who I will link her Instagram down below, she was kind enough to organize a group buy for a group of Canadians who wanted to get their hands on this polish because it's kind of hard to get otherwise. So it did take a while to arrive in the mail, I think about 6 weeks, which isn't really that bad coming all the way from Russia. The only thing I will say, and this is something that I have recognized and will work to do better on, is that I want to only support brands that are inclusive and BIPOC friendly and, you know, have swatches on a diverse group of people with a variety of skin tones. So this brand doesn't, from what I can tell on their Instagram and everywhere, it's just white hands that I'm seeing. So here are more white hands, mine, but so that's something I will commit to doing better in terms of the brands I choose to support in the future. But these polishes are gorgeous. Their formula is so good. Yeah, so I think I should just get into the polishes.
First up is Cake Pops, and this is a white based crelly with tiny little black glitters and then little pastel pink, blue, green, and I think yellow glitters. It's absolutely adorable. As you can see, I built this up in 3 coats because I wanted the base to be whiter, which I never really understood. Jess Face 90 always talks about like getting the base whiter for her crellies, and I see what she means now. So it could have worked at 2 coats, but doing 3 coats really gave that white base the extra opacity it needed to help the glitters pop, and I absolutely love this polish. I put top coat on to smooth everything out, but it's my new favorite crelly. And then the next polish here is the Pink Panther, and this is a neon pink, which I would say has a bit of a jelly-like base, and then there are these really cool silver flakes. So they're not holographic, but they're just silver. And this actually built up completely in 2 coats. And I love it. It's a little brighter than my photos and videos show it. So it's a true neon. And you know that I love pink. So I absolutely love this polish. And I love the Pink Panther. And here is another white crelly. This one is Serenity. And it has pink hex glitters, but it also has some sort of like gold flakes in it, I think. And then there's also like a really interesting like goldy green shimmer. So this polish is really pretty. It's perfect in 2 coats. I have to say the formula with all of these polishes is so good. I was so impressed. And yeah, this one's another winner in my opinion. And now we're getting into some vampire colors. This is Monarch. This I would say is a wine sort of jelly base. It has so many different things going on in it. So it has glitters, but it also has a bunch of flakes. And so when you layer this up, it really gives a very multi-dimensional effect. And so here you're seeing 2 coats, but when I had my photos, I started taking them and I realized I probably should have done 3. So I did 3 coats in the photos. And here is another dark polish. This one is Masquerade. And this one is a black jelly base with a really strong greeny gold shimmer. And then a whole bunch of color shifting iridescent flakes and a little bit of hollow as well. So this one was super easy to apply in 2 coats, super fluid, super amazing formula. And as you can see, the shimmer really glows and it really kind of makes the polish look almost green or brown, but it's just so pretty and I love it. It's very elegant. And here's a purple, which, as you can see, all of these polishes just like glide onto the nail so easily and effortlessly. I have to say the formula is incredible. So in 2 coats, I built this one up. It's like a dark medium purple, and it has a whole bunch of color shifting flakes, and then I want to say like a hollow dust type thing in there. Yeah, I don't have any descriptions for these polishes because they're in Russian and I only speak English, unfortunately. So I'm kind of on my own here and I'm not the best at describing polishes, but I'll just let the video do all the work. Okay, and here's probably the favorite out of everything I tried. It's a topper, it's called Rhapsody, and I applied 1 coat over a Fiori from Cirque Colors. And this has black glitters, white glitters, and then really cool iridescent flakes. And I am completely obsessed. I want to wear this over everything, but especially over this lilac because I think it was the perfect pairing and I'm in love. And the last polish, which, oh my gosh, is so cool. It's a thermal. I kind of don't buy thermals generally speaking because the effect doesn't last, but when I saw this one, Dragon Fruit, I just knew I had to try it. So it's like a dark red, and then in its middle state, it's almost like a lilac, and then it's a clear light baby pink, and it all has this gorgeous shimmer throughout it, like almost a white shimmer, and then iridescent flakes. But you can see the 3 states here, and oh my god, it's so pretty. Yeah, I just got really excited about all of these polishes, but this was like kind of saving the best for last.
Okay, so you're probably tired of me talking about how great these polishes are, but I do just want to say that like the packaging is so gorgeous and luxurious and beautiful and heavy. So the lid is like one of those situations where you pull it off. So very Chanel. And like, oh, I just love them so much. But I will have to say that my favorites are Dragon Fruit, which was the thermal that I showed last, and then Pink Panther because it is like a neon pink and I love pinks, and the silver flakes were really unique and I've never really seen a polish like that. And then of course Rhapsody, which is the topper, and I kind of want to wear it over everything all the time. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen this brand around, if you would ever try them, and which polishes you liked most, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye!